Guys, so this is a video on how to put in your tail light, brake light, when it goes out. So behind your lights there is this cap here which has a little insert right there, so just stick a screwdriver, you pop that off. So this is the power. Let's take that off. There it is. It's the power. And then you normally need a little socket thing, but I don't have one, so I'm using one of these. So I'm having trouble holding this phone here, but this is your power and you want to disconnect it. Okay, it has like little plastic little tab that you squeeze and it'll come off. Don't yank it out, push it softly. This is your bulb thing right here, so you want to take these off, which all you need is a little string from a screwdriver, a socket. So it'd be nice if I had a socket, but I don't. But anyways, you'll continue to take this one off, and then you have one down here. So take those off, and I'll be back to show you the rest. Oh, there's one up here. Well, didn't see that. Don't forget that one. There's one right in there. Stop. So it was so hard to take this piece off, not because I couldn't take it off, it was because it's cold outside. My fingers are frozen. It's like 20 degrees out there right now. So this piece came off. Be careful. I cracked it, I guess because of the cold, like I said. Well, there it is. It's unlocked. Carefully pull it out. Okay, so apparently I had to take this piece off, and the wire was kind of short, so it's right here, the extra wire. So I kind of just pulled it a little bit gently, carefully, and then I'm about to take the bulb out. So you don't want to remove it hard. Take your time. Just kind of want to jiggle that out because you don't want to leave any pieces in there. This is giving me a hard time. I'm sure I could just yank it out, but this is it. This is what you take off. Very easy, nothing difficult. So, this is the new one. changing of your, as you can tell, it's burnt. And that's it. And you're gonna put it back in there. Just be very careful. Put back in there. Make sure you lock it. There it is. Yes, you lock it. That's it. That's all the miracle of it. Hope you guys find this video interesting. Put this back on. Don't forget your bolts. Got one right here. Got one right here on top. One on the side. Thank you very much. So I just put it back on there. It's still loose, so I'm gonna tighten up the screws. As you can tell, I already put one up there. Tighten up the screws, and then I'm going to test out the light. I'm going to turn it on right now. I had a little difficulty, but it got done. I got tired of paying for people to do it, so I figured I did it myself. So we're going to try it on right now. There you go, folks. That's how you change the taillight car for Toyota Scion XB. Thanks for watching.